Hello IELTS students, welcome back to For Learners. Today we will discuss some ideas about children and youngsters topic for the writing task 2. So stay tuned. Let's start with proverbs. A stitch in time saves 9. Children are the mirror image of their parents. A mother laps the child to socialization and a father shoulders to the complex world. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. These are the proverbs. You can use these in the introduction or body paragraph. Vocab for these: cope with core competition, cutthroat competition, solution, resolve, overcome, accustom, addiction, curb, curtail and reduce, destruct or ruin. Please note down all this vocab. Let's start with essay. Younger people have lots of problems, but their problems often ignored by the people running the country. Give solution to the problems faced by younger generation. Let's discuss the solutions and problems. Let's start with the problems. Unemployment and poverty, corruption, quota system, exploitation, higher competition, dearness, lack of counseling, lack of support, encouragement, addictions, discrimination. These are the problems. And what are the solutions? Solutions: employment exchange, defense increase, abolish, that means get rid of, laws and legislation, better education opportunities, government schemes, counseling centers, technology and band. These are the solution. Please jot down all of these. Suggested introduction. People running country are the part of government which is of the people, for the people and by the people, accounts to facilitate the needs and problems of all, but the unmatured teenagers remains out of their focus so as to be left on the discretion of the parents and guardians, ought to be addressed as they are the pioneers of country's development. I have used one proverbs in this introduction: of the people, for the people and by the people. This is most crucial proverbs. So please jot down this. Let's move to another essay. What would be the difference between children of today's generation and next generation? Discuss both the views. What is the difference between today's generation and next generation? What would be the difference? So let's discuss. Start with today's generation. Respect their elders, civilized, conserved and culture, tradition, co-curricular activities, physically healthy, mental fitness, friend circle. They are extrovert, education, books and they are innovative. Next generation: nuclear family, early maturity, generation gap, self-development, self-dependent, Western culture, fast food, obesity disease, isolated, introvert, earn while you learn, addiction, computers, and they will be advanced. Suggested introduction for that. Today's children are tomorrow's future, where parents' role get crucial as children are the mirror image of their parents, has been changing in this ever-growing technological world, would separate today's children with that of next generation. You can see I have used one proverb in this introduction as well. Let's move to another essay. Recent figures of youngster crime rate has increased in major cities of the world. Give reasons and solutions to this problem. Discuss reasons and solution of this essay. Let's start with reasons. Aggressive materialization, financial crunch, shortcut money, nuclear families, stress, peer pressures, exposure to violence, influence of media celebrities, unemployment and poverty, addictions to drugs, tobacco, religious purpose uses. These are the reasons. Let's discuss with solution. Awareness campaigns, consequence exposed, joint families, media, controlled, laws and legislation, employment, socialization, parents' involvement, family warmth. These are the solutions. Please note down all of them. Let's move to another essay. In some countries, children have very strict rules of behavior. In other countries, they are allowed to do almost anything they want. To what extent should children have to follow rules? To what extent? Freedom, weight claim, strong reception, creative, innovative, progress of all, direction needed, learning by doing, learn by mistakes, lessons of life. Let's discuss about restrictions. Limited restrictions, adverse effects, antisocial activities, bad addictions, sense of revenge, teenage crime increases, restriction under supervision. Suggested introduction for that. Children being the base of any country's development should be empowered with the sense of discipline and inculcation of those is essential for creation of the disciplined and well-organized society, but imposing too many restrictions could also work counterproductive. Parents should not impose too many restrictions on the children. Okay, you can write down this introduction for that essay. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and please like, comment and share this video.